Hello everyone, myself Pratish Poddar. From now onwards, I am taking the DSA challenge. Means like you can learn DSA along with me. So let's start. By the way, I am taking the Java DSA, no other language I am taking. So be nice in this group. Let's start. So from today, I am starting the Java DSA because Java is one of the most best language. Why? You can say this is C++ also here. There is a Python also here. Yes, I know. Yes, but most of the student takes Java because in my past experience, I can say that first of all I'm taking that C++ as a learning language. Then I'm stuck in this pointer things. Then I jump to the Python to learn and grab some knowledge about the Python. But when I dive into the Java, I fall in love in this. So I hope you will feel good. So let's start it. So basically, whenever you start a program, there's a one thing, that is algorithm. Everyone just talk about what is algorithm. But do you really know what is algorithm? So in simple way, there is no deep dive. Okay, this simple way, I can say that the algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. Okay, this is the book's language. I can explain you in a layman term, like the when you are small baby, you will start walking by stepping the one step, second step. Well, you can just learn by falling down and down and down. Even you are starting in the math or any languages and anything you are learning. In first fall, you downwards, you use your brute force tricks. Later, I will explain what is brute force. But you take the smallest step. That is known as the algorithm to solve a problem. Okay, the best algorithm, there is always there different type of algorithm. By the way, there is this algorithm criteria, that is the best time complexity, space complexity. You have to mention and observe what is the best time complexity I can use to solve an algorithm. So the good algorithm is what the good algorithm is taken by which takes the less time or less complexity or less time space complexity. Let we understand later what is time complexity and what is space complexity. So let's move on. So why we need an algorithm? Do you ever think you are in classes, you are learning the algorithm, so it's boring. Let's go to the programming language. That type of mind thoughts, I know I can also feel that one time. But first of all, whenever if you don't know what is the failure, then you never get the success. That's the thing. So algorithm are the necessary. So what is need for algorithm? Algorithm are necessary for solving any complex problem. Means that problem you can never think. Like I can explain you that the trapping rainwater. Like there is do you ever think that there is a raining all around and you can just there's a boxes and you think in which boxes it gets the maximum water level because the level of the stands is different. Okay, and further we can solve this type of problem, but the algorithm is the basic need to solve a complex problem and in an efficient way. You can solve in any way. Like I'm just how can I say anything like the complex math algorithm you are solving this, and by the way there's a different formula. Like there you can use the a plus b ka whole square formula, or you can directly use into the multiple type things. So it helps, the algorithm helps to do anything in a faster way. Means like this is a formula. Okay, this is the, and whenever you are using any programming, the best thing is to learn algorithm. If you don't know algorithm, means you don't know programming languages. Algorithms are enabled to computers to perform tasks that would be difficult or impossible for humans to do. You think you always listen that the computer works very faster than the human beings. How? Because the inside the computer there is the algorithm which make to understand the programming language in a basic and very easy way than the human does. Okay, so what the algorithm needs, that the first of all mathematics. In any problem you need mathematics. If you don't know the mathematics, you never learn programming languages. That's not my concept, it's all over the world. First of all, you must learn mathematics. Even just a childish mathematics, like the even 10th 12th mathematics, not these more than that, even easy way, like the you are using some formula, the quadratic equation and etc. Okay. And then another is the computer science. You are learning programming language, then you may must take the computer science or any other branches you can take, you can learn any from here. You know engineering, even don't you learn finance, but this algorithm can use in that field to make the everything easy, like LIC and another different type of finance algorithm use everywhere. Okay, so the algorithm used to optimize any type of difficult and critical situation or problem in an easy way. Okay, like you in Hindi you can say that it's Jugadu language. This is Jugadu. I can solve this in just Jugadu way. That the thing. Okay, and most of the time today in this time algorithm used in the data scientists, means you learn about the data scientists, they are the growing way in big search around. Okay, so analyzing the data use the algorithm, means if you create an algorithm which analyze the data like the trading and the trading market is. Okay, there's a, you can predict what will be happen in just 5 minutes. After 5 minutes what will be happen, it give the basic solutions and basic provide knowledge about the algorithm. We will learn and see the different type of algorithm in further. So I hope you get the grab knowledge about the what why we need algorithm, why it is necessary to use an algorithm. Okay, let's move. So this is the diagram and the characteristic of an algorithm. I just taken here from the Geek of Gifts. Okay, this is the characteristic of algorithm. That is the you can use you can get the best and well-defined output by using the greater and the best algorithm. There is always a finiteness, flexibility, language independent, means the algorithm doesn't need any language. You say, bro, I am learning Python, I am learning C++. How can I learn from you? That's the thing. You use a syntax in your own languages, but the algorithm remains same. It doesn't change. Okay. So the clear and ambiguous thing, it is a well-defined input. If you get given the well-defined input, then you get the well-defined output. But there is a condition. If you know the better algorithm, okay. Like I already said that what is brute force algorithm. So brute force is like if you don't know how to walk. Oh sorry, if you don't know how to ride a bicycle or a cycle, what do you do? Just start it, and then what will happen? You will fall. But by doing this repeatedly or by practicing, you will learn how to ride a bike. That's the same thing. This is the most basic and the simplest way of a type of the algorithm. Means you can do whatever algorithm you know by solving this approach. Whether it can be a good approach or a bad approach, but you will do this solving approach. Okay, means the basic thing. Okay, there's another the recursive algorithm. Means there in time, for example, uh, in mathematics. Okay, you know already mathematics is better easy for me, so I can explain you better in better way. Okay, in ancient time, the formula is already derived. Okay, like the what is whatever I can say, like quadratic equation, or what is the a plus b ka whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. That thing is already derived by some other guy or anyone else. If you do you think whenever you are doing an mathematical equation, does it does you have to explain everything, like you have to explain the a plus b plus ka whole square equal to that, like, you have to prove this then you use it? No. Okay, why? Because it's already proven. You don't have to use it you don't have to prove it again, then you can solve this equation. You don't have to check whether it is right or wrong, it's already done. So that's the algorithm. Okay, that known as a recursion algorithm, means the recursive algorithm. To solve a complex problem, you will break down it. It's like a you have there's a big type of rock. If you break it, you can take that small piece of rock to another place. But if but you will try the whole rock you have to put from one place to another. It is impossible or difficult. Okay, we'll we will learn and do some max all type of problems according to them. Okay, the dynamic program algorithm, the greedy algorithm, backtracking, sorting, searching, hashing, these type of algorithm. I think that all lot of more, but this is the most important algorithm. Inside this, you can get more different type of questions which will be asked in the interview, and not in the like the smaller type of colleges. Like by learning these, you can access and get the other interview which you never think of. Okay, so that's all. This is the first and intro video. In further, I will doing this question and provide you. I hope you will join me and learn what the problem is given and how can we approach and different type of things. Thank you once again. I hope you will get some knowledge, a better bit some knowledge about this algorithm things. And next, I will start the question from the array. You must know the basic. This is the prerequisite. If you don't know the basic, then you never move along. I'm not here to give you the course and to sell you a course to get and learn and from the basic to advanced. This is the basic. If you know the basic, then you must join this. I'm already taking this. Okay. If you want, if you have hunger to learn something, then you must join. Thank you.